Tired of the 9 to 5 grind and dreaming of financial freedom? Discover how I turned online side hustles into a thriving business and achieve my financial goals. Many people struggle to break free from the traditional career path and find ways to generate extra income. Today, I'll share my journey and provide actionable tips on how you can build a successful online side hustle and achieve financial independence. I started like many of you, stuck in a 9 to 5 job and wanting more. Through trial and error, I found my path to financial freedom with online side hustles. There were challenges, but overcoming them made me stronger. When selecting a side hustle, consider your interests, skills, and market demand. Popular options include freelancing, blogging, dropshipping, and creating online courses. Building a personal brand and online presence is crucial. Create high-quality content, optimize your website, and leverage social media to connect with your audience. There are several ways to monetize your side hustle: selling products or services, affiliate marketing, and sponsored content. Experiment with different strategies to find what works best for you. Managing your time effectively and maintaining a healthy work-life balance is essential. Set boundaries and take steps to avoid burnout. To recap, choose the right side hustle, build a strong online presence, monetize effectively, and balance your work and life. Start your online side hustle journey today and work towards your financial independence. Remember, perseverance, consistency, and learning from your mistakes are key to success.